A shiny new Martian rover, Perseverance, is the precious cargo inside this Atlas rocket.
0. Release.
It's a multi-year, multi-billion-dollar journey to discover with certainty whether there has ever been life on Mars. Perseverance will land here in Jezero Crater because 3.5 billion years ago, Jezero was a lake fed by a river surrounded by an atmosphere that may have supported life.
I would imagine, everything from that point forward is going to be, okay, what other life is out there? How do we get to it? How do we study it? How do we understand it? It'll be absolutely the biggest discovery, I think, in history.
Today, Mars is a dusty, forbidden landscape. Perseverance will roam and survey and deploy the first helicopter ever flown on a different planet.
So this will actually be very much a Wright brothers moment, except on another planet.
With Perseverance en route, July has become rush hour to Mars. Last week, China launched Tianwen-1 to orbit and deploy a rover on the Martian surface. A few days before that, the United Arab Emirates sent a spacecraft called Hope to study the atmosphere of Mars, a first for the Arab world in space.
The space exploration towards Mars, UAE now is a member of the club.
The 3 missions to Mars, Hope, Tianwen-1, and now Perseverance, have all left Earth now because the window of opportunity only comes every 26 months. The goal is to have the 3 spacecraft intersect with the Martian orbit when the red planet is relatively nearby. The trek will still cover more than 560 million kilometers. All 3 will arrive at their destination in February of 2021, 7 months from now. Perseverance will be the first in a series of missions not just to explore, but to gather pieces of Mars and bring them back to Earth. It will drill some 30 rock cores to be sealed in cigar-shaped tubes. Future missions will collect the samples and return them to Earth in 2031. Canadian team member Chris Hurd can't wait.
If everything goes well, we'll have really intriguing evidence, potentially in the form of organic molecules detected or even certain structures in the rock that could be indicative that life was there. But to have that definitive proof, we need to bring those samples back and see them in the lab.
This is not just another space flight. It may settle the age-old question, are we alone in the universe? Eric Sorensen, Global News, Toronto.